Gustong magtrabaho sa ibang bansa pero takot dahil sa mga naglilipa ng mga scammer, worry no more. Work as a factory worker in South Korea under government. The government process how much is being earned, 83,000 piso hanggang 130,000 piso a month. But there's more since salary increase sila next year, umabot na ito ng 70,000 piso hanggang 150,000 piso expected monthly salary mo, overtime included. Applicants must be 18 hanggang 36 years old, male or female, single or married, elementary, high school, ALS, BPO sa college level or fresh graduate. Physically fit with or without experience, no height or weight requirements. Note, no placement fee, free food and accommodation, no salary deduction, government to government special hiring. All interested applicants must willing to attend our grant-free orientation. To know more about job application process in legal way, for reservation of slots, kindly call or text Sir Dennis 094826163333. Bisitaha kami. Tambong sa among libre nga seminar sa orientasyon Abi Korean Language Tutorial Center, Tagum City, 2nd floor, room 221, Mendoza Clinic Building, National Highway corner APOKON Road, atbang sa Jollibee Highway, tapat sa METROBANK, Tagum City. Open-end orientation Thursday and Friday 9 a.m. 094826163333. Better, grab this opportunity habang available pa. Hurry! Limited slots only.